Hello everyone, in this video we'll go over the top 5 gifts for programmers. So if you have a programmer friend or you're so lonely and you want to get a gift for yourself, don't worry, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Most programmers often listen to music while coding. It helps them get motivated and forget about how they are dealing those bugs that makes no sense. So yeah, a Spotify premium subscription could be a pretty good option. A mechanical keyboard is the best gift you can give to a programmer. Even if they already have a bunch of cool keyboards, they will still die to get another one and can't get enough. But if you're broke like me, the next one might be a better option for you. Programmers spend a lot of time behind their desktop, so a little friend to have on their desk and take care of it, a cute houseplant, is a great gift for programmers. Programmers don't go out often, but when they do, they will go pretty equipped. So if they don't already have one, just give them a tech organizer pouch, because they really need one, and they will happily use it. Everyone likes books, if those books are related to their interest or major. And I'll guarantee, even if they don't read them, they will 100% be happy just owning and having that book in their bookshelf. Cause at least it makes them feel more professional and passionate about their major. And here's some cool books you can buy for a programmer. Clean Code, The Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs. Atomic Habits, The Clean Coder, The Art of Not Giving a And yeah, this is the end of this video. Hope you found it useful and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye.